anyway, I would like to welcome each and everyone here in Villabianca for celebrating the birthday of Black. No? Ang wish siguro natin sa kanya lahat is for good health. No? Yun ang importante. I know it's a little bit hard for each and every one of you to come kasi aduti ibaganan, or what. Let's not talk about politics this time, no? Kasi no, dapat ka na kayo mas maipit ka. Except ko, asawa, no? But let's celebrate and let's make this day a happy day for Black, no? Because it's his 64th birthday. And I'm so happy. I thank God for the gift of life for Black. And welcome each and everyone. Let's enjoy the day. Let's dance, sing. Mamaya, I'm sorry I cannot give each and everyone. We cannot give each and everyone a hat kasi yesterday we had a celebration. But anyway, all this you can see, the hats, the handkerchief, and all this one will be given to you as a prize. Whoever will be maybe the best dancer or maybe who could give a very good wish for Black. And we will give all of this. Sa inyo lahat yan. Thank you and welcome here in the